Hello everyone. Today we will see about the Amazon. Now today have a look on the categories. Last time we have covered the electronic categories and we have reviewed the product. Today we will continue our this series of reviewing the Amazon products. Today we will start our product. Last time we have um, reviewed on SD card. This time we will use this USB. The name of USB is Syntech USB C to USB adapter pack of two USB-C male to USB 3 female adapter. Compatible with MacBook Pro 2021, iMac, iPad Mini 6 Pro, MacBook Air 2022, and other Type C or Thunderbolt 4x3 devices space gray. These are some images shown in like this. This is a C type, and on the other side it's a USB type. These are the images defining its specifications. Now just have a look on the price. Its discount price is $9.99. The original price was $18.99 and it's a discount of 47%. There are different colors available here, and the pricing and the options, and the only color blue. This one is available in the gold, rose gold, silver, and space gray. Compatible devices, laptop and cellular phones. Connection type is USB Type C, USB 3.0. Connection gender is male, color blue, and item description is this one. All these these are detail about the product. Note: product with electronic plugs are designed for USB in the US. Outer and voltage differ internally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatible before purchasing. So this is all for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Subscribe our channel for reviewing the products on Amazon. Thank you very much.